Okay, so we are on the final day. We have completed 28 beautiful chapters of gratitude, ranging from health, self confidence, my favorite, money, then relationship with food, air, land, everything. So, all dimensions of life. So, how and why should we be grateful in order to attract abundance in life? So, these are just, a small two, three concluding. Chapters, and we'll quickly go through them. Also, the author here wants us to kind of summarize or remember or just get a hang of it, how to use this book whenever we need, even if we are not in the regular practice. So your magical future, as you can see, so through the window in the vast sky, or we can call it universe, we can see a lot of blessings and gratitude. We can see it's all about the future aspect of it. You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is your magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more floors to the building of your life.
Karthik,
Yes?
I can't see it. My video is stopped.
Can everyone else see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Actually, I zoomed in between and
Acha.
then it
Do you want
stopped.
to disconnect and join again? We can wait for a couple of
I think
Okay,
minutes.
so. I think so.
है
That
ना?
will.
हाँ.
okay, okay.
So yeah, in the first paragraph, the author is basically saying the foundation is laid, and now we can just keep on building the floors of gratitude in our life, and the whole idea, the whole benefit of being grateful for small things in life. To start with small things, and of course the bigger achievements, bigger victories in life, we should be always grateful, and that's how we can achieve all the dreams. If we don't have dreams, we can figure out dreams. Otherwise, the journey of life can itself become very magical in nature. Sapnanti, now you can see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is a magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more floors to the building of your life. Your life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. There is no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude. There's no end to the magic you can experience. Like the stars in the universe, it's infinite. To speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble. But to live gratitude is to touch heaven. I repeat, to speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble. But to live gratitude is to touch heaven. Johannes A. Gartner, 1912 to 1996, professor, theologian, and poet. The ideal way to move forward from here is to maintain the foundation of gratitude you have built and gradually keep building on it through increasing your depth of feeling. The more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it. And the more deeply you feel it, the less time you will need to give to it. As a guide, 3 days a week, 3 days a week of Remember the Magic, or combining it with two other magical practice of your choosing, should maintain your current foundation of gratitude. So if you remember the chapter 28, Remember the Magic, says just count the blessings of yesterday, and the author is saying add on to any two practices of your choice, and that's how you can develop a weekly practice. So you can do 5 days a week. For example, you might choose to do Remember the Magic on one day, Magical Relationships on second, and Magic Money on the third day. 4 days a week of Remember the Magic, or incorporating it with three other magical practices of your choosing, you will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic. 5 days a week of Remember the Magic, or incorporating it with 4 other magical practices of your choosing will dramatically increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life. 6 or 7 days a week of Remember the Magic or incorporating it with any other magical practices of your choosing, and you will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into the gold. So basically, author is suggesting different ways like do it for 4 दिन में इतना, 5 दिन में इतना, 6 दिन में इतना, 7 दिन में पैसा double. So basically, we can just choose how we want to do it. Author is just suggesting magic practice recommendations to keep the magic continuing in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, and the material things you own. You could do the specific practices for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more through an increased practice of gratitude for that area several days a week. If you are unwell, you will want to do the magical practices for your health every day, if not multiple times in a day. The following recommendations will easily guide you toward the magical practices that will have the strongest and fastest effect in that area. Follow the recommendations in the relevant area for 3 weeks minimum, doing each recommended practice once a week. So relationships, magical test everyone, magically heal your relationships, magic wand, magic mirror, remember the magic. So author has now what we had initially discussed, that every week we'll be going one level above in respective areas. So every week we read chapters related to money, health, relationship, etc., etc, and in next week we came one step above, in third week one step above. So now author has really segregated and sorted it for us, that if you don't have time for 28 days commitment, just pull out these chapters and start the practices to sort out the differences or make your life better in this specific area. Let's say relationships. Health, magical health, magic dust everyone, magic and miracles in health, magical air that you breathe, the magic wand, remember the magic. I think health is one of the very important area, be it our own health or if somebody's, the times are such and we are facing something not that serious now, but yeah, we can always practice this magical practices related to health, and these listed here. So obviously I'll share the soft copy again of the book. So if you don't have hard copy and you want to focus on certain specific thing like
Yeah,
relationship or
please
health,
share
yes,
the
I'll do
book.
it. Okay. So you can, go through these specific chapters and practices. So money, money magnet, magic check, magic wand, magic mirror, and remember the magic. For career, works like magic, magic dust everyone, the magic wand, the magic mirror, and remember the magic. To fulfill your desires, if you have any, you can do magic dust everyone, make all your wishes come true before your very eyes. Before your very eyes, if you remember, we always have clues in front of our eyes. We just have to pick and just act on them. So we'll just visualize and things will definitely keep on happening on their own. That's the whole idea, if you are already in advance grateful. The magic wand, the magic mirror, remember the magic. Your magic rock. You can make the magic rock practice a part of your daily life by continuing to keep your magic rock by your bedside and using the time you get into bed as a reminder to be grateful for the best thing that happened that day. You can also carry your magic rock with you in your pocket, and every time you touch it, use it as a reminder to think of something you're grateful for. So if you already I think most of us already have a rock, and you don't need to take a new rock if you're starting the book again or doing specific practices. So you can continue using same thing because it already has 20 days of gratitude, and you'll keep on increasing and increasing. Your magic dust. You can also make the magic dust everyone practice a part of your daily life. Other than sprinkling magic dust over the people who serve you, there are many more ways to continue using this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust over everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. You can sprinkle magic dust over a family member or loved one if they are in a bad mood, or anyone you come across who needs some magic in their life. You can also add magic wherever you go and sprinkle magic dust over babies and children, over your plants or garden, your foods and drinks, your computer or your mail before you open them, your wallet, car, your phone before you take or make a phone call, or over any circumstance that you want to improve. The many applications of magic dust are limited only by your imagination. So, next is the magic never ends. I practice gratitude every day of my life, and it's inconceivable to me now that I could have lived days, months, and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It is in my cells and it's a pattern in my subconscious mind. But if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I'm practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I'm not feeling as happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of my life, immediately I increase the magical practices of gratitude in that area. I am not blinded by false appearances anymore. Instead, I look for the goodness to be grateful for in every circumstance, knowing that it's there, and then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears. I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands. And when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Oprah Winfrey, 1954, media personality and businesswoman. So, if you know about Oprah, she was not born with a silver spoon, but she accepted and worked on whatever she got on her way, whether it was a dream job or not. She kept on going, she kept on working. After every failure, she got up, and, and today she inspires a lot of people. Through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance your life. The universe and you. Sonam, do you want to take it forward?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah.
The universe in you. There is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. The way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer, spirit or God or Guruji or whoever it is that you believe in. You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you. And when you think of it, look up above yourself and towards the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you, it is behind you, it is beside you, and it is within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you. Now, this is exactly like the practice that we did yesterday, where we said the universe is you, the universe is within you. As below, so above, and as above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles. The Emerald Tablet, 5,000 to 3,000, 5,000 or 3,000 BC. Now, the Emerald Tablet, Karthik, there was a reference to this Emerald Tablet in the secret book
Secret, yeah.
right at the beginning, right?
Yes.
I'm not very sure what was written, but I'm pretty sure it carried the secret to the secret. Now, when you understand that the universe is within you, and by its very nature, it is for you, wanting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty, and more of everything you want, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life. And you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe. The more genuine gratitude you feel toward the universe for everything you receive, the closer your relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude. I mean, this is very similar to the things that we practice with people where the more genuine gratitude I feel towards Karthik for hosting these sessions with me, the more closer I get to him. As simple as that. You will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it, you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with. You will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel that closeness of the universe within you, from that moment on, the world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do. Gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult relationships, for lack of health or money, and for unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression, and brings happiness, clarity, patience, kindness, compassion, understanding, and peace of mind. Gratitude brings solutions to problems and the opportunities and where with something to realize your dreams. Couldn't pronounce that. Gratitude is behind every success, and it opens the door to new ideas and discoveries, as the great scientists Newton and Einstein proved. Imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps. The world would be propelled into new territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. Current limits would be broken, and life altering discoveries would be made in technology, physics, medicine, psychology, astronomy, and every scientific field. If gratitude became a mandatory subject in schools, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world. The nations who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. The gratitude of a nation's people, uh, the gratitude of a nation's people would cause their country to thrive and become rich, would cause illnesses and diseases to drastically drop, businesses and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear, and there would not be a single person in hunger, because a grateful nation could never allow it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution. Take the magic with you. Take the gratitude with you wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your passions, encounters, actions, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over and you're at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the challenging situation will magically change. We showed him, that is, man, the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful, rests on his will. The Quran. Say the magic words, thank you. Say them out loud. Shout them from the rooftops. Whisper them to yourself. Say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. But wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips. It is inside your heart, and it is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic.
Okay, thank you, Sonam.
You.
So finally, we have
Wonderful it
completed
was.
one book.
Yay! We must clap for ourselves, please. We've really done a
Yeah,
great
and
job.
I haven't missed even one class,
That's
one
Yeah,
fantastic.
session.
Fantastic.
I think the commitment in itself is a thing to be
Yeah.
grateful about.
Absolutely.
My commitment, your commitment. I know sometimes timings were wrong, or the message didn't reach right, or the network was not there. Or I remember in one of the money chapters, Madhu's auntie got logged out on her own and she couldn't log in back. And
I
I
know.
was wondering, maybe it's a money chapter she logged out. But next day she was like, I tried for 20 minutes, I wasn't able to log in. So yeah, many good memories from these last 28 plus to 30 days.
Absolutely. Should we, what do you
Yeah.
want to, I mean, there
So
is a tiny practice, but we can do it before closing, Karthik. So,
sure, sure.
मुझे क्या लगता है अभी आप होस्ट हो ना प्राइमरी तो आप ही चालू करो यू टेल अस we'll go turn by turn let's see 2 lines 3 lines it doesn't matter I mean it's no big deal just something how the book helped you.
So I think in terms of my behavior, I think before the lockdown, because of my company, my friends and people I was hanging out at work also, I was kind of became a brat, and I started misbehaving with people, and just thinking my head there was air in my head. So coming to Delhi right one day before lockdown, it was very divine, and first 2 months were tough for me. And I was back home. I became very grumpy every day when I used to wake up. I used to feel very, in a bad mood. But the time this book came into my life, that was in itself divine. I think the very basic difference which this book has made to my life is I wake up with a smile. At least I'm conscious that I'm not supposed to feed anything negative information in my head. I don't have to argue with anyone. At least when I'm waking up, initial hours, and there are certain practices related to just close the chapters with people in the past, or just be grateful for your job or things like that. So during this duration, I met one of my ex bosses, I told you, and I'm looking for certain opportunity, and yesterday also I got another interview call. So all these things have just started aligned on its own, and the only reason is
Wow.
gratitude. My relationship has become a lot better with myself, with my friends. And yesterday only I sorted one of the differences, so right before completing the book. So now I don't have any grudges towards anybody in life.
Wow.
So I think that's very
Wow.
beautiful for me.
Big one Karthik. Big
Yeah.
one big one.
So we
Fantastic.
just started, just very casually. We came up with the idea of starting this, and we kind of committed in terms of timing, resources, and I'm very grateful for my family because they are just not allowed to switch on the TV while I'm taking the sessions. They're not allowed to roam around me, so I throw tantrums, but because I need everything on the table. But that's really. A thing to be grateful about for me. And Sonam, of course. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible. That's for sure.
Same. Superb. Thank you, Karthik, for sharing. That was lovely. I think Madhu auntie, you want to share next? I'm going according to my screen.
No problem. Yeah, I wish I had done it in July because that time I was having a lot of negativity in my life. But somehow I think August is not too bad. But yeah, and plus I got two very good news during the whole month. One was absolutely getting my grandson, another grandson was superb, put me on top of the world. And I think positivity I learned to acknowledge. I mean, positivity is always there in us. It's not like we don't have the gratitude, we do have, but now with the full acknowledgement, with the full knowledge, you are actually giving gratitude. Yeah, that's absolutely beneficial, I would say.
Absolutely. Fantastic. And congratulations on your 2 news. We're also just as happy as you are for you. Fantastic. It's so nice, sharing joy. I feel that's also a feeling that builds once you do this. Sometimes it's difficult to feel joy for somebody else. And this has just multiplied it tenfold. So thank you. Thank you, Madhu auntie. I want to go next.
I think the theme of this book is gratitude page. Actually, this is already built in our culture, that we are grateful to earth, sun, water, space. We are also grateful to the trees and animals and cows and bullocks, rivers, etc. This is actually built in our system, and it is reflected through various traditions. But even today we read that chapter that universe is within us. So it is called जेवढे आहे ब्रह्मांडात तेवढे आहे पिंडात. So whatever is in universe is it is in universe. So everything is in a small part is within us. So I think this book has reminded me our culture, which was already forgotten. So I started saying thank you whenever I open my eyes after sleep. I started saying thank you because I am alive. I have seen this day today. So that is the first thank you to the God that I am still there on this earth. So from there we start, and I think means we are all already grateful, but I learned that to express our gratitude to our friends, my parents, or relatives, or towards express our gratitude towards the health given to us, wealth, and the most important I think is to ourselves or myself, which is not in our culture. So that is the most important for me, that I am saying thank you to myself. And this book this book teaches us to thank you for things, and that I don't have also. So I think the jealousy is replaced by gratitude. That is the most important in this book. There is no jealousy for others because that person is having this much and I don't have. That jealousy is removed by this gratitude. I think for a small change in myself, I can say that I can overcome the negativity if any surround us. So on a very small scale, but with the increase in skill or practice, we can develop that, and so that it will help me to keep calm and peaceful mind. I think that is the achievement.
That's great. That is great. Those are some very valid and itna, but those are some very, very valid, strong points that you've made, and that is quite a change within yourself and outside you. So congratulations and fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, Vidya Aunty, would you like to share next?
Yeah. As Madhu said, I was going through a very hard period for May and almost for June and July. The only reason is I lost my parents. I lost my mother and I lost my mother-in-law, both.
So sorry to hear about that.
No, yeah. So one in May end and one in July. So it was a very strenuous and unhappy period for me. But with this, and for that, during those periods, there are some small grumbling factors for us. ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, ये लोग नहीं आए, वो लोग नहीं. I mean certain things. But with the help of this book, when I started the practice and the improving of relationship, so I feel calm within myself. I mean, I'm not saying that relationships are not bad, but it is from my side only that as I kept on grumbling for some little things, and that I removed from. I mean, those are not there. Second, I told you as a magical thing happened that I have already shared with you, that I got my friend back after so many years. Yes. And now we are in constant touch. So she is also very happy hearing from me. So that is a very good thing. And as Darshana says that, yes, we have started at least not in a continuous basis, that I have yet to receive. Every time I eat, I forget saying thank you. But after I eat, I remember that. And then I go back in my mind and say thank you. So those small things are happening. And I'm sure that within a further time, it will improve. But it's
become a habit. It will
become a habit, naturally habit, yes. So that's the main thing. I mean, it it taught us how to be grateful for what we have got. That is the main thing.
Start counting.
That's counting. I mean,
Counting the
yeah,
blessing.
before this, we used to see what we don't have or grumble about that. Now, instead of that, total scenario is changed. And then we think that, yes, we have so many things, we are in abundance. So we should be thankful for that. I mean, that is the main, I think, lesson that has been given to us. And I'm sure we all will follow that throughout our life.
We hope to. We
Yeah.
hope to follow
Yeah.
that.
Yes.
And again, same thing, like you're saying small things, but I feel sometimes those are some of the most important things that matter.
Yes.
Like what we think is the smallest change will actually bring about the biggest change in our lives. So even we hope
Yeah.
we will keep following
Hmm.
the same practices. Super. Thank you for sharing with the auntie.
I think, for Vidya auntie, I just want to add one point. She started late, but she was the first person who used to see the recording on YouTube. And she messaged me in initial days, and I was surprised that somebody is actually, going back and seeing the recordings. And she started practicing also late. So she used to attend every session, and next day she used to do an old practice, and that's how she was coping up. So that kind of dedication and commitment which I saw, that was really inspirational for me. Thank you so much,
Wow,
auntie.
great.
I almost
Superb.
saw almost 10 videos or so. I joined, I think, after fifth or sixth day I joined. I saw all the episodes before. I mean,
Wow.
whatever we have taken, recorded
That
sessions.
is
So
inspiring.
actually, my YouTube channel, my cousin said, don't put these sessions. They are not, people are not watching it. I said, there's one person who's watching it regularly, so I don't care about others. I have to upload.
Absolutely.
Oh, and I have forwarded these videos to many people.
Fantastic.
Oh,
That's
And
really great.
I forwarded that to Pinakin. I don't know whether he is looking at or not. He also saw first two videos, I think. And
That's
Darshan,
really
I asked for you. He said, "Oh, that is Darshan Moshems." Seeing him for so many years. So
yes.
that is there. But yeah.
Karthik,
For-
sorry, Vidyanti.
No,
Sorry to
it's
cut.
all right. I even forwarded it to my brother and everybody. So
Okay.
I'm hopeful that one day or other they will definitely go and see these videos and then start doing the practice.
Let's
Yes.
hope that they
Yes.
come soon.
Yeah.
No, I was saying, Karthik, you remember when we first thought ki, ye karte hai, chalo, it's such a good book, we must do something. Because it literally, that idea stemmed from doing something for the world in such a rubbish pandemic situation. And both of us were like, koi nahi aaya to. So we had decided ki, theek hai, chalo. Koi nahi aaya, worst case, Karthik will teach me and I'll teach him and we'll just do it together. And we were like, ek bhi person aaya, one also, we'll do all 28 days and we'll finish it basically. We'll do a good job. So I'm very, very happy that you guys are here and it really, really means a lot that you all came every session. It was quite amazing and we spoke about it a lot, Karthik and I.
So
Super.
next.
Sapna auntie.
Okay, I'll not take much. I think you have your session, na? Sound healing ka.
नहीं साउंड हीलिंग नहीं है मेरा लाइव सेशन है वो तो चालू हो गया डोंट वरी वी आर लाइक
Okay.
technologically advanced I have one more screen going on here.
So it was a wonderful journey for me. I usually am not able to continue whatever I start, but this I was able to complete. I mean, I was here for all 30 days. So one change that I feel is that I used to be very anxious and restless in negative situations, which I have stopped being now, I think so. मतलब I try to remain cool कि हाँ हो जाएगा जैसे भी होना होगा मतलब I leave it to God कि जो भगवान समझेंगे ठीक वो होगा. So I think that's one change I feel. And I've got the hard copy with me. And from tomorrow I'll start reading that again. And I've got one copy for my brother also. I'll gift it to him. And I also plan to do this session with another group of friends, hopefully.
That's lovely.
I'm not sure, but it's just a thought ki haan, karna chahiye. So thank you to both of you. It was a lovely journey.
So I want to add something. So I sent it to Ananya, Sapna auntie's daughter first, and she said my mom will do it. I said, yeah, I know. And after 1 week of session, she messaged me, what have you done to my mother? I said, what happened? She said, no, she's
I
all of a
remember.
sudden very positive. She said she was so negative. She has turned, 180 degree.
नहीं,
I
so
said, that's
if
the
it is
magic.
coming from Ananya, तो ये वाकई में चेंज आया है पॉजिटिव. अदरवाइज दे यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि तुम अपने आप ही तुम्हें लगता है कि चेंज आया है, हमें लगना चाहिए कि तुम में कोई चेंज आया है. So if she is saying so, तो कुछ आया ही होगा. And
Definitely.
Karthik, I want to thank you for the n number of write-ups that you have given us.
Yeah. I get clothes. It's a barter thing. So yes, next is
Kruti.
Kruti.
I spoke yesterday also. Like I said, I started it with a lot of apprehension. Like, first of all, commitment for 30 days and Ganpati and everything. So, will I able to do what it is in the book? I don't know. Is it something chain forward, sales? I was really very skeptical about it. But I just because I was attending sound healing, I know Sonam, I trusted and I just started. Let's see, take the first step and thank you so much. It helped me grow. Nothing miraculous like this shifted, but very small changes I saw in myself. Obviously, because of the pandemic, work stress, relation disasters, whatever. Uh, Not a very happy soul I was. Cut to 30 days now. Uh, I feel positive. I feel happy about getting up in the morning, looking forward to such sessions. I started painting again after almost 6-7 months. So really thank you both of you. Uh, I mean, you guys have a unique way of connecting with all of us, making us feel more cared, and that feeling is really appreciated, I'm sure, by all of us.
Yes.
And I also want to thank the group. I mean, we comes from such a different diversity, genres, and still we were able to connect so easily. I mean, it went seamlessly, and now I can feel a bond. I mean, even if Madhu auntie has got a good news, we all are happy for her. Or somebody got like Vidya Maushi got to connect with her friend. That day, if you see that YouTube video, all of us were so happy. There were sparks in our eyes. So there is some unconnected. Still, we are bonded with all those things. So that in itself is a magic. The book is magical. That journey, it makes you talk to yourself, everything. But the way you both have conducted, that is also commendable. And I really thank the group also. We supported each other, we laughed together, and we had some amazing memories. I mean, it has become a ritual like 9:30 laptop khulna. So I'll miss that. And it was an enriching journey. If I count like pointer wise, so there is a shift in attitude. Now I try to look at the brighter side of the life, whatever situation we are in. Started enjoying my work. I mean, instead of stressing out, बहुत काम है, I feel that I have work, I have job. So I started feeling more productive during the day. I mean, uh, otherwise, and started talking to myself, clarity of thoughts. Like if I have to ask from the cosmos or the universe, I first should know, right, what I want. So I started writing. So I think one day I have missed. Otherwise, all days I was able to do. It was difficult, but I'm very happy and proud that we have come so far. I intend to start it again. So yeah, it was very nice. And thank you for introducing to this new thing.
Super, super.
I
And
think
Just
this
Sonam, I want
kind
to
word.
add,
Hanji.
I want to thank you for the energy practices that we are doing daily. They are just too good.
Most welcome, most welcome. And it's so nice, we don't realize it, but if all of us sit together and do it in the same time, it actually connects you and enhances the energy practice. So me doing it alone versus me doing with Madhu, Vidya, Sapna, I, Kruti, Karthik is a huge shift in my own energy. So it's fantastic. Oh, it's my turn, is it? कार्तिक कुछ बोलना है आपको?
Yeah. So, okay, I'll say it now. So, when I thought of doing something like this, and I was attending a lot of workshops on law of attraction and everything, and in those workshops, approx 200, 250 people used to come on Zoom calls. They are still happening, and their advertisement or the way of marketing used to be like, "Do you want to fulfill your dreams? Do you want to attract a lot of money?" So I thought that's the pattern to do it. Okay, so I told on the first day also that this is the first time I'm doing it, and I might want to take up this kind of a profession side by side. But when I met all of you, I realized, I remember Kruti is telling on second day, but I don't have dreams. I want to just see how the book works. Maybe next time I'll come up with dreams. Madhu auntie told everybody, and everybody agreed that money is not everything in life. There are many more things above money. So I realized that there is one segment of people who are just following the herd, in the name of manifestation and law of attraction. And that's how the marketing works. But there is us, this set of people who want to adapt these practices, who believe in these practices wholeheartedly, are committed, but think way forward as compared to them. And Sonam's energy practices, I think, is always the cherry on the top of the cake.
Yeah.
And the holistic experience from a materialistic book, we have kind of developed a holistic experience. So that's a beautiful thing, and it couldn't have been possible without without all of us. So I want to personally thank for this.
And there was no formality in the group
Yeah.
Yeah.
at all.
Yes.
So we
Absolutely.
were like family. So
Yeah.
Because
I've just met Sonam and Sapna auntie, and most of you have never met me, and and vice versa. So, but still, the kind of bond we had developed. Oh, hi, what's up? So, many times me and Sonam used to have a conversation before it turns to a kitty party, which we automatically, went into the direction. So we had to end the session.
Karthik, I have not met you also, and Sapna auntie and Kruti also, but
Yes,
now
yes.
thinking that we
We
know
are a
each other.
family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, Sonam, please.
So I have, I think, over the course of time said what I had to say about how the book has changed my life. But today I did take 15 minutes out to write down certain points because it was also for my understanding. So I'm just going to go through them very quickly. Like I said, I definitely, like Vidya auntie said, like I said, once I get up, it's definitely a shift in my attitude. I sometimes used to get up extremely irritated for no reason, and it doesn't happen to me anymore. I have definitely seen a massive shift in the kind of monetary in the monetary aspect of my life, which I'm an events person. That's my business. At the moment, I make nothing, and this was at the moment was about 2-3 weeks ago. ये book चालू करने के बाद I actually see opportunities where they don't exist and they come walking to me, and that is the truth. Other than and yesterday, in fact, so that was about money. About relationships, I called up Karthik yesterday because something happened with a very close old friend of mine that I could not believe. Like, I could not believe that you can sort these issues, you can move past things, you can become good friends again. And that for me was one of the biggest takeaways from the book. I also feel that I have my manifestation power, so to say, has sort of gone up, is what I would like to say. Because if I think of something, or if I think I want something, some way or the other, it does come to me, and it has started coming to me. And Karthik, I've spoken to you about this time and again, where it's scary sometimes because I'm like, maybe I didn't want this and I said this, So it's not like coffee and the coffee comes. I'm not talking about things like that. They are, of course, subtler things, but ho raha hai. And subconsciously, I'm making a note about it. And the last one I think is definitely something on the lines of what Kruti said, is that it really made me sit down and write down my health goals, my relationship goals, my money goals, something that I've not written. I may want it, I may want the world, but I have never specified to the universe what I want. And now practically also it makes it easier to work towards it, and magically also it just makes it easier to work towards it. So it's been fantastic, and I have changed and transformed as a person. It's not been a very smooth journey. I have had my ups and downs, like literally personality wise, anger wise, everything wise, but I know today on the 28th day I stand a better person. So I think it's been fabulous. And thanks, of course, to every single one of you in all these windows through my iPad. I mean, that's also it was amazing to me that I, sitting here in my bedroom today, can talk to you in different parts of the world, sometimes in different parts of India. And it's crazy. I just click a button and here we are on our day 28. I don't know where these days went. So thank you so much, everybody, especially Karthik.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik and Sonam.
Thank you so much.
Session.
So many more new projects coming up, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And we hope that, I hope that we can all connect like this throughout our lives. And there may be something, universe direction, that we may do certain things together. I mean, that may also happen,
Wow,
isn't it?
good.
Yeah.
We
Absolutely.
can.
But maybe, because this is our first session and we are gelled so well. So I think that, yeah, some God's
There is some message there.
message is there,
Yes.
that we always will be together, and
And we are such a varied group, basically.
together. Yes.
Such a varied group.
Absolutely.
At least myself,
So-
Vidya and Madhu, we are of the same age group, so we can tell. But all others are different age group.
I'm also close.
And yes. But all the other three are much younger to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we are young at heart, Darshana, so doesn't
Yes,
matter.
always.
Abhi to main jawan hu.
I am grateful for my
Even
beauty.
though we are not looking, actually we
100
are
K
very
Sirvi
young.
money.
So like Karthik actually mentioned, we do intend to come up with a club or a program where we can connect once every week. I think that should be enough. We'll come up with a format and it'll actually keep us on track. It'll help us share. So if we've seen such a big difference, doing it over a course of time would be fantastic, right? We have a little tiny practice today to end the lovely sessions that we've been doing. What we're going to do is say the 4 magic lines that we usually say, which are, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, and I thank you. But this time, I want you to unmute your mics. And if Karthik starts, he's going to join his hand, look at the person in the screen and say Darshana, Madhu, Vidya, Sapna and Kruti, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you and I thank you. So I want you to direct it to the person because the community feels grateful for each other. So let's just end it with that.
Okay.
Anna, Karthik, go. I'll call out the person's name so we can do that.
Yeah.
Hasna mat.
So what do
Serious है. Hasna mat बिल्कुल.
what do I have to
You
do?
can-
बहुत आती है तुमको.
Yeah.
Hello, Sonam.
हाँ.
Each person has to speak out like this.
Yeah. So when I call out your name, you take all the names and then
Okay.
you can repeat after me. I'll say it with you.
Okay.
Okay?
So we are in all 7 people, I think, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
6.
7.
Yes.
7.
7.
Okay, Karthik, you want to go?
Yes. Tell me.
Babu, you have to take each person's name.
Okay. First, I'll take the name.
Yeah.
Darshana auntie, Karthik, Madhu auntie, Vidya auntie, Sapna auntie, Sonam auntie, and Kruti.
I'm
Okay.
sorry.
I am sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I love you.
I love you.
And I thank you.
And I thank you for a lot of love and blessings. Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay, Kruti.
Yes. Darshana auntie, Sapna auntie, Vidya auntie, Madhu auntie, Sonam and Karthik. I thank you.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I love you.
I love you.
and I thank you.
Thank
Super. Sapna aunty?
Okay, so I'll take the names only,
Yeah.
na? No aunties.
No, auntie.
Okay, Madhu, Darshana, Vidya, Kruti, Karthik, and Sonam. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you all.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Vidya aunty?
Sonam, Karthik, Darshana, Madhu, Sapna, and Shruti.
Kruti.
Kruti. What is
I'm
it?
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I love you
I love you
and I thank you.
and I thank you.
Fantastic. Madhu aunty?
Karthik, Vidya, Sapna, Sonam, Kruti, and Surekha. I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me. I love you and I really thank all of you.
So fantastic. I
Karthik, Sonam, Kruti, Vidya, Madhu, Sapna.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you all.
Super. Fantastic. So I'm going to say it. I didn't. Karthik, I, Madhu auntie, Vidya auntie, Sapna auntie, Kruti Maushi. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you all so much and I thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fantastic. This was a lovely session.
Okay, so we have already taken almost 1 hour. So
Yeah,
we can
I have to request one thing, Karthik. I had to upload my WhatsApp once again by deleting. So I have lost everything.
I'll share, don't worry.
No problem.
And I think only Sapna auntie is not there in Sound Healing group, so we can add her there. And this magic group will dissolve, and wherever we have new information, we'll post in the Sound Healing group.
Yeah, but please send me all the 28 days on
That
whichever group. I don't mind whichever group you're sending.
That I'll send, don't
I have
worry.
lost all my data.
No issues. All right, take care, everyone. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.